Hey everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales Of. If you're new, welcome here on YouTube and on my blog, wildtalesof.com. I share about family travel and outdoor adventure. So today we are headed out on a bike ride and we are going to go on a similar route that we went on Mother's Day. So you can watch that if you want to check that out. We are going across Lake Washington on the 528 floating bridge and then heading over to the Medina neighborhood and we're going to go exploring over there. There's one park that we want to check out a little bit more that seemed like it was kind of like wetlands. And then we are going to a beach park and we're going to see if we can get into some swimming. So we will see. But Georgia and I also wanted to share a project and we want to see if this actually works. So Georgia, I have the rubber bands already. Yeah. So we were looking through this book, the Kids Nature book. It's really neat because it has a little project or thing to learn every single day of the year. And so it's kind of seasonal and takes you through the calendar. I can link it below if you're interested. I think we just found it like in a little free library or something like that. But we just happened to be looking at June 5th, just a random date. And it said, make an underwater viewer. And all you need is a milk carton, like a paper milk carton, some plastic wrap and a rubber band and some scissors. So we made one right here from our Trader Joe's milk. So we just cut the top off, bottom off. We'll have to see like how big it actually should be, but because maybe we should have trimmed it a little bit more. Anyway, so then you put a piece of plastic wrap, just like this, and then a rubber band. And then you put a rubber band around to secure it, and supposedly we're going to be able to see things underwater magnified. But do you really think that something like this will work? I don't really know. We're going to find out, right? We're going to bring this along to the beach and we're going to see if it works. Do you think it works? Leave us a comment below. Let us know if you think it's going to work or not, and we'll share our results when we get there. Bird alert! Here's a heron. Here's an eagle. There's an eagle. There's another heron. There's some kayakers. There's some ducks. You made it! Where's Dad? Where are you? There they are. You made it!
Oh, Georgia helped out.
Was that hard?
Georgia helped.
You look tired. Woo! We already seen like half a dozen. Okay, you gonna try this out?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna take those off? Okay.
Oh, not cool that much. Okay.
Other way.
Oh,
Yeah, you put your face in there. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
No, what do you say about the
Well,
viewer?
when I was looking, I so green.
Oh yeah? Can you see it well? Okay.
3, 2, 1. I can't get out.
Are you going to be able to get out?
No, I don't think I can get out.
You can do it. You can do it. Release the Kraken.
Yeah!
Woo! Where are you going? Oh.
Can we put this at the end? I really saw. I really saw.
Oh, so you can see like the different plants and stuff really well? Good.
2, 1.
Woo! Right. Find a room? Cool.
I can use it.
Whoa. What do we think about the underwater viewer?
Well, I like that. Let me see down there. I like that you can really see the rocks and stuff.
Yeah? Did it work?
Yeah.
It actually worked. Just plastic wrap, milk container,
But it gets
and
really
a rubber
wet.
band.
The practice.
It does get wet. I think we're gonna be done with it. Maybe like a one use only, but at least we reused our milk carton, right?
Yeah.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Maybe we can like put this on this one off, and then make the other one with the same thing in the same rubber band, and use that
Yeah,
to get
you could
out.
definitely redo it, secure it again. Any tips on how to use it, Georgia?
Well, you just. I sometimes don't get it wet, and I just sometimes.
Oh, even if you don't, you can use it even if you don't put it right in the water. Okay. Well, we're back from our ride, and if you were keeping track, we really didn't. I think it was about 15 miles. It was a lot of fun, and we ended up staying at that beach park for about 3 hours, and that's kind of a record for us. We just had so much fun, and it was just that perfect situation where we had a great spot and it wasn't too crowded and the kids were having a blast playing in the water. So thanks so much for joining us. Everyone is settling down now watching the Euro Cup. So we'll see. Bergen is rooting for Italy. Let us know if you were watching and who you were rooting for. And by the time you are watching this, it's all over and we already know who won. But we recorded it and kind of were watching it on a delay. So we also had to make sure that we didn't get any clues as to what happened while we were out riding and enjoying the day. And so yeah, so thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us in figuring out whether or not that underwater viewer was worth it. I think it definitely was. It seems like it's kind of a one-off thing, that it's not something that will last a really long time, but it's definitely something that we will do again. And I can think of some really fun spots in the Arboretum where there are some platforms, docks that kind of come out into the water, and the water is close enough to where the kids could put the little viewer down and kind of lay on their stomachs and look down into the water there and maybe kind of see some bugs or even other, you know, pond life. That might be a lot of fun. So we hope you're doing really well. And if you liked your video, we would love for you to support our channel by giving us a thumbs up. And we would love to have you join the Wild Tales of family by subscribing so you can join on all our adventures. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave wild adventures, and we'll see you next time. Bye.